Welcome to Strategy Unveiled. In this video, we embark on a journey to dissect real-world scenarios, uncover hidden patterns, and extract valuable lessons from the intricate tapestry of human experiences and decision-making. Why case studies matter. Case studies serve as invaluable tools for learning and growth across various disciplines, from business and management to psychology and sociology. By examining specific instances or situations in detail, case studies offer a unique window into the complexities of real-life problems and the strategies employed to address them. They provide a bridge between theory and practice, offering practitioners and academics alike a rich source of empirical data to inform their understanding and decision-making processes. The art of analysis. At the heart of every case study lies the art of analysis. Here, we roll up our sleeves and apply a critical lens to unravel the intricacies of each scenario. We aim to uncover factors, identify challenges and opportunities, and evaluate various solutions. Exploring diverse perspectives. No two case studies are alike, and therein lies the beauty of our exploration. From corporate giants navigating turbulent markets to individuals facing personal dilemmas, we cast a wide net to encompass the full spectrum of human experiences. Our goal is to foster a deep appreciation for the diversity of perspectives and insights that can be gleaned from the myriad of cases that populate our world. Learning from successes and failures. Successes inspire, but failures teach. In our journey through case studies, we embrace both triumphs and setbacks as valuable sources of learning. By studying the factors that contribute to success as well as those that lead to failure, we gain a holistic understanding of what works, what doesn't, and why. Through this process, we equip ourselves with the knowledge and foresight to navigate future challenges with confidence and resilience. Join the conversation. Unveiling Insights is more than just a blog. It's a community of curious minds passionate about learning and discovery. We invite you to join the conversation, share your thoughts and insights, and contribute to our collective understanding. Together, we can unlock the wealth of knowledge hidden within the pages of case studies and embark on a journey of continuous growth and improvement. So, are you ready to unveil insights and unlock the secrets hidden within the world of case studies and analysis? Let's embark on this enlightening journey together.